Hey, if you've ever wondered how people make money online without ads, traffic, or complicated tech setups, today's video is going to open your eyes. Because I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell domain names part-time for profit using a tool called AIFlipDomains. And trust me, this is one of the simplest, most beginner-friendly ways to start building real online income. Let's be honest, most online business models feel overwhelming. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing, they all depend on one thing: finding customers. And that's where most beginners get stuck. You spend months posting content, burning money on ads, or trying to build a following from scratch. Meanwhile, you're making little to no profit. But what if you could skip all of that? What if you didn't need traffic, ads, or even sales skills? That's exactly what domain flipping with AIFlipDomains makes possible. AIFlipDomains is the first AI-powered domain flipping system that literally does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of chasing customers, you tap into marketplaces like GoDaddy, Sedo, and Afternic, places where millions of buyers are already searching for domains every single month. Here's the beauty of it. The AI scans real sales data, finds undervalued domains, tells you which ones to claim, gives you realistic pricing ranges, and even guides you through negotiation when buyers reach out. No guesswork, no brainstorming, no selling. Just a simple buy low, sell high model powered by AI. Let me break it down in 4 simple steps. Step 1. AI finds domains. The system scans thousands of expired domains and trending keywords daily. You don't waste time browsing, you see opportunities backed by real sales data. Step 2. AI values them. Every domain gets an AI value score, a pricing range, and a sale probability. High score? Claim it. Low score? Skip it. It's data-driven, not guesswork. Step 3. List where buyers look. With one click, you generate a professional for sale page. Then, guided marketplace listings show you exactly where to post: GoDaddy, Sedo, Afternic, where buyers are already searching. Step 4. AI guides the sale. When offers come in, the AI negotiation assistant tells you whether to accept, counter, or decline. It even gives you pre-written response templates. You just copy, paste, and send. This isn't theory. AIFlipDomains was awarded JVZoo's Seal True badge, meaning it was independently tested and certified bug-free and superior in quality compared to 99% of products on the platform. And here's the kicker. You can start with free or $1 domains. That means you can test the system with almost zero upfront risk. Some beta testers flipped their first domain in just 72 hours. Others took a few weeks. But they all had one thing in common. They didn't need traffic, followers, or ads. They just followed the AI's guidance. So who is this perfect for? Beginners who want their first online win. Side hustlers looking for a simple income stream. Busy professionals who don't have time for complex systems. Even people who hate selling, because here, you're not pitching, you're just listing assets where buyers already exist. And if you're on a tight budget, you can start with $0 to $1 domains. That's less than the price of a cup of coffee. Think about it. If just one domain makes you $200 profit, how many would you claim tonight? With AIFlipDomains, you're building a portfolio of digital assets, like owning pieces of online real estate, that can flip fast for quick profits or appreciate over time. So instead of spending months posting content hoping the algorithm notices you, or burning thousands on ads, why not let AI show you domains buyers are already searching for? If you're ready to start buying and selling domain names part-time for profit, check out AIFlipDomains today. It's simple, it's guided, and it's designed to give you your first real online win without the headaches. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable content, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of domains you'd love to flip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.